Hello there, welcome back to the channel. I'm John from The Final Third, and on this video we're going to be showing you how you can add timestamps to the comments section in a YouTube video. Right, without further ado, we're going to head over onto the PC and we'll show you how we do it. Okay, so we're over on the PC now. We've just got our demonstration channel open again. It's the one with the trains. We've been on here before. I'm just going to highlight the mouse so people can see what I'm doing. Get that down there. Right, so we'll pick one of these here now with the timestamps. Right, now this one here is Walthamstow Central to Brixton. Now it's a train journey. I have covered this in an earlier video. There's quite a lot of stops on this one, so there's all our timestamps in there. Now if someone wanted to comment on this, or even if you wanted to comment yourself on a pinned comment, the way to do it is pretty similar to the way you would put the timestamps in the video. So you would go to the video. Right, so we're on this channel here. So if you open up this in another tab, so you just click on that. That's going to open it up. Turn the volume down there. So we've got that opened up in another tab. Now you want to comment on that. We'd go down to the comment section and we could put in, for instance, so you've got your timestamps here, all listed here. So you could put, for instance, in a tab, check out Oxford Circus Station. And then you just put the time in there. So there's Oxford Circus Station and it's 22:30. So I'm not sure if you can copy and paste this. Let's try it. I would comment on that. Yes, it's highlighted it. So there's our timestamps along the bottom there. So it's got 22:30. So if we have a look at that and we click on it, yes, it's taken us to that part of the section in the video. So somebody else who wanted to comment on it, they could also put that in there. So it's quite easy to do. If you wanted to leave a pinned comment, you could put that in there. To add a pinned comment, you would just touch the three dots there, just on the little top there, the pin. It'll ask you to confirm it. You just say yes, and that's a pinned comment. So any other comments you get, then in there will be below it, but that'll be the headliner. So you could say, check out this station if something was happening in the video you think would be of interest to your viewers. And that's pretty much how you do it. It's very easy to do. Not too hard, pretty much the same as doing anything you would do, putting the timestamps in any of your videos. So there you have it, another little easy trick for people who want to do a pinned comment on something. People that have watched your videos can also put pinned ones in there. Check this out, or if they see something they've recognised in a video, they often put them in there, or you can put one in yourself. Very easy to do. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.